Addition fluency, 0 to 5. Be sure to call out the sum before I do. 2, 1, 4, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 0, 5, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. You did it! Keep up the practice and great work!